Hi guys, sadly my brother deleted my old house, so we had to get a new house. And I'm betting that you guys will love this house. Maybe even better than you liked the one before. This house is a bit small, but still it is an amazing house. It is an amazing house. So let's get on to the video. So today we are going to be touring my new house. Let's go. We have this little garage and my little minivan and this little kind of porchy area, and then we have the sleepover room, which is a really fun room. It's kind of dark, but it is a sleepover room. So I'm gonna take, so those are the options for snacks, and I'm gonna take a blue raspberry slush. We have this little kitchen area where, you know, people can sit and eat. Toy room that no one uses because no one usually has to, unless they're watching TV. And the closet. Let's go up here, and we have the living room. And yeah, it's just, well, a living room. We have this little like kitchen area. And then we have this little dining area, which is really nice. It's more for like when we have more people over. And I did get, well, I'm going to buy a little, what is it called? Little like table to put somewhere over here that we'll, you know, we'll use more often. And then we have this little area. We have this little area which I'm gonna put, this is where we usually eat during summer. So I'm gonna put my slushie. Looks like there was a glitch. Hopefully it glitches. Oh, there it goes. Well, we have this little seat and some other things. And then down here, and all the stuff went down here or up there. We have the trampoline and the swings, which is really fun. Then we have a pathway to the pool and a little seating area. It's really nice. Then we have the pool where you can hang out and swim. And we have a diving board that no one uses because no one knows how to dive that well. And then let me get my own slushie, then we'll go to the next floor. Okay. And then I'm gonna put my dishes up here. And we have the girls' room, which is really nice. And Kate's grandma. And then we got Belle. Let's go. You know what, just forget what I said. Anyways, we got like this little areas and no dressers. And we have my room, which is kind of simple. We have the bed, some quotes, a bunch of plants, little dressing area. Not too much, but not too little. It's a nice little area. And we got the restroom, and we have those sinks. This is Bella's sink. This is my sink. I have some walk over here. And yeah. Well, I brush my teeth and wash my hands. And this is Kate's sink. this is the little towel area. Very nice. And then we have we have the bath over there. I was trying to think, but we have the bath over here. And we have the toiletries. And then let me show you the porch. Okay. Yes, make sure. Oh yeah, that's what I forgot. These are scattered around the house. For example, there's one in here. Yeah. And we have these. Mrs. and Mr. Swan. And then we have the porch, which has this light, this chair, which can fit all of our family. Let's see, oh, I can't move seats. Anyways, we can just, no one uses this because, well, they're too old for what they say. We have some toys, and then I missed the stairs. We have this tree anyways. And these bushes, mailbox and trash can, and